How to make money with Bluehost as a complete beginner. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and Bluehost is a web hosting website that persons go on once they want to create an internet presence. So for example, let's say you have a business or you want to build a personal brand and you want to buy a website and a domain name. Bluehost will more than likely be one of your first options. So how will you be able to make money with Bluehost as a complete beginner? You are going to be using their affiliate program. And to get access to their affiliate program, all you'll have to do is go onto bluehost.com. Then you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And from here, you are going to tap on affiliates, which is right here, and you'll be led to this page. And with Bluehost affiliate program, you'll be able to get $65 for each qualified sign up / referral. And their affiliate support team will be happy to help you, provide you with any guidance or tips needed to help you grow. And it's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is tap on join now and fill out the basic information. Now that you have gotten a concept or the idea of how you are going to be making money with Bluehost, you may be wondering, okay, where will you get the traffic or the sign-ups to start earning money with Bluehost? The platform that I recommend you use is YouTube. As with YouTube, YouTube is the highest, or better yet, the biggest search engine right now online. So persons will go onto YouTube, for example, and type in how to make a website with WordPress. As when it comes to WordPress websites, you don't need to know any coding or anything like that. It's the easiest platform to create a website on. And with Bluehost, you'll be able to create WordPress websites easily. So why not make videos on how to make a website with WordPress, and also simply clear the first section right here, and you can simply find different keywords. It is quite easy to find keywords, as you can simply clear the first section and you can see right here how to make WordPress website on Bluehost, how to make WordPress website on phone. There are numerous videos that you can create, and you will create tutorial videos which are quite easy depending on your knowledge level, and you'll be able to earn money. As you can see right here, this person created this video 6 months ago, and they are getting over 5,000 views daily. Imagine that. And imagine only 3% of the persons that watch this video sign up to Bluehost. This person is making way more than $100 per day without getting paid from YouTube, just getting paid via affiliate. And you can see the person in second on the search ranking right here is getting over 3,000 views daily. So they are making crazy money also. So why not try it and start to earn money? As with YouTube, it is easier to rank and start getting money than when it comes to blogging. As with blogging, you'll have to wait until your website start ranking and all of that. With YouTube, you could create a video today and get your first affiliate sale today. So definitely give it a try if you have knowledge when it comes to web hosting, or you can watch videos like these that talk about web hosting and then improve your knowledge on website building and website hosting, and then you can create tutorial videos to help others. As the more persons you help, the more money you'll be able to make. Hope you found this video motivating. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.